Hi, this is John with ATI. And in my younger days as a repair technician for phones, tablets, you can call it whatever, I would love to have something like this so easy. So the other day, my best friend, he wanted to change the battery of his Note Galaxy phone. And I bought all these replacement parts and I found this guys and they're just a lifesaver. All this adhesive, this case is liquid glue for your back phones or any other components that you want to stick in. And this is double-sided tape specifically for phones. So the good thing from this is that as having two options for you to do the repairs, if you just want to go easy level, just apply this glue on the on the borders of the phone, easy just to put in. And if you just want to put a double side tape, just to put the easiest way to just strap there, peel the top layer, and you can squish the layers of the phone, the back door. I did it with my own phone too. I have a Galaxy S21 Ultra, and I was feeling like the tape from the back that I was removed a long time ago was actually not that stable. So I changed it. So this is high quality glue for or addition for your phone. This was John with ATI. That was my point of view.